In this video, we will show how to deal with a skin grafting blade while harvesting a split thickness skin graft. This is a very basic technique for any plastic and reconstructive surgeon. So this is the skin grafting blade, which is commonly known as Watson's modification of HUmby's knife, and this is the way we handle the knife, and we open it here in the blade. So the next part is introduction of the skin grafting blade. This technique of introducing a blade might be confusing if you do it for the first time. Sometimes you may try to introduce from the top, which is the wrong way. So you have to introduce the blade from below like this, and the sharp edge we have already shown. The sharp edge, this is the sharp edge, the blunt edge. The sharp edge should face outward. So after introduction, the blade will lock here into the 3 holes. After insertion of the blade, you have to fix it nicely into the 3 holes and then close the flap over it and then lock it. Then you have to see the adjustment. Here you can see some markings on both sides. From one marking to another marking, the distance is 0.25 millimeter. So this is on the first marking, that is 0. If we rotate it like this, this is 0.25, and the next marking is 0.5. So for harvesting a split thickness skin graft, we have to keep the, you can see the marking here, you have to keep it in between 0.25 and 0.5, and it is to fix on both sides. So here you can see this is kept in between 0.25 and 0.5, first, second, third. So these markings should be on second and third mark. This also here in between second and third mark. So now we are ready to harvest a split thickness skin graft. This is one technique, but this is another HUmby blade where the markings are not clear. So you can see the difference here. So there is no marking, but sometimes you may get this type of HUmby's knife. So you have to harvest skin. You can do it. So after introducing the blade, and locking it, you have to look here. So the gap here between the blade and the roller should be in such a way that a sliver of light can pass through it, or you can pass a number 11 blade. But it is always better to harvest the skin graft with a HUmby's knife that has markings.